going after the saw guy. Fish on. Stay tuned.
That's a largemouth.
I think I just need to videotape you.
Think so?
Did you get that on?
Yeah, it's recording right now.
You're unconscious right now. Unbelievable. Good job, Bubba.
It jumped like a smallmouth.
I know. I saw the black tail. I thought it was a smallmouth.
See you, buddy. It's a big fish, dude.
Catfish now. What do you do? Just chase it up?
Chased it up and I felt my rod go like this.
Almost 17. It's got a lot of flavor. And then on the other fillet, I'm going to do original. And we're going to do a taste test for you. We'll show you when it's on the grill. Alright guys, so all you want to do is lay it on there on the skin. I would say about 5 or 6 minutes, and then we have some garlic and lime and butter sauce that we're going to drizzle over it. So what you want to do is just baste it on there. It's been about 4 or 5 minutes, and this will finish the cooking. And take a little brush, it's over here. Just brush it on there. Alright guys, we'll show you when we eat it. Alright guys, so we got the Dano's original, and then we got the Dano's spicy. I'm going to try the Dano's spicy first. Comes right off that skin. It's awesome. Try the original now. A little hot. Original's way better. Fish on, guys.
This is the saw guy that Spencer caught today. And you've got the original Dano's and the spicy Dano's. I'm going to try the spicy first.
I'd blow on it.
Awesome. And this is the original. I'm a big fan of the original, better than the spicy. Till next time, guys, fish on.